Hello and welcome to my channel. If you are wanting to learn how to speak, read, and write English, you have came to the right place. Subscribe to my channel to make sure you keep up with fresh uploads of English lessons. I'm going to strive for 2 to maybe 3 lessons a week. Subscribe to stay informed. Let's get started here. We're going to start off with basic English. A few months later, we'll go to intermediate English. A few months later, we'll go to advanced English. Good morning. How are you doing? Good morning. How are you doing? This is for the mornings. When you wake up, you say good morning to your partner. Good morning. How are you? Your partner will respond, I am doing good. I am doing good. What time is it? It is 9 o'clock a.m. What time is it? 9 o'clock a.m. Do you want something to drink? Do you want something to drink? Yes, yes. I would like a bottle of water. I have to leave in a few minutes. I have to leave in a few minutes. I am hungry. I am hungry. I would like to eat some breakfast. I would like to eat breakfast. What would you like to eat? What would you like to eat? I would like to eat bacon and eggs. I would like to eat bacon and eggs. These are the most commonly used words in the mornings when you're with somebody. Mainly at home, if you're sitting at home talking to your spouse or to a family member, these are the basic conversations every morning. How are you liking these lessons so far? I hope you're enjoying it. Subscribe to my channel, drop any comment below. If you like this lesson so far, subscribe to my channel to be notified of lesson 2. Thank you for watching. See you on the next lesson.